Alright guys, it's Monday. That means it's Joe's All-Star Tool Monday. Joe's got a lot of cool tools laid out here, so let's find out what they are and what all they do. Come on.
How you doing? I hope you had a great weekend. I know I did. I was busy right up till, I don't know, I love it being late out till 7 o'clock at night and you'd still be outside.
I know, it's nice.
It's getting nice. Talk about nice. Now, we've had this warm weather before, but it's like it's hot. Must be we don't have a cold breeze with being sunny out.
The breeze is nice today.
Right now it is. Before I wasn't getting a breeze, so I'm enjoying every bit of it. Won't complain.
Well, you've either been stripping on the weekend or you pulled the bucket of cash.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, I wasn't stripping, so. Yeah, the bucket's pretty empty, but there's a few in there already from this morning. You might even know the winner here.
Oh, yeah, Michael over at Eastside.
Michael at Eastside Tire, yep.
Cool.
He don't know it yet. I didn't get there yet. 287 smackaroonies there.
There you go.
You take the rubber bands off, these magically grow like this tall.
Cool.
That'll be great. Tell him the dirty rat. It says, yep, but I got it. After I hand it to him, I says, yep, but I got to show everybody all week, and you get it next week.
There you go.
So I'm hoping you guys. I'm waiting for one more of you guys to win. I'm waiting for all you guys to win. I want anybody and everybody that's in there to get a chance to win. I mean, I tell people I don't quit until you win. So we got a few here. We've seen and heard Mr. Walter Frederick before, but we got 5 for him.
500 Samoans up there.
Our favorite service guy, Mr. Mark Griffin. Been in the service, served our country. Great man. Him and I talk all week, all the time. I mean, about all kinds of stuff. And I'm inviting him over to my house for a weekend. We got some things planned. So
cool.
Great guy. So we're gonna start with trim tools.
All right.
Now the big set used to be like 4 or 5 pieces, and then it got to be 7 pieces, 11 pieces. This is 27 pieces. It's a Lyle set. Yep, 27 pieces, Lyle.
Okay.
It's a big one.
It's got some different looking ones in here. That's
it's got stuff I never even.
Some odd looking little fellas in there. I'm sure each one of them's got a special purpose.
I got them for 62 bucks.
Okay.
So 62 on here. Now, I've sold plenty of mini ductors, and some of the guys that go through the different coil kits. Now this one here has, I like when they used to say how many are in here, but 8, 9 different coils in there already pre-wrapped, different sizes. Now, it don't say you can't unwrap it and make a bigger coil. There's actually a coil pack that has larger sizes. There's a coil pack that have longer ones. That way you can actually bend it around a corner.
Right.
So many areas you can get these in, different places.
There's your part number.
Yep.
Okay.
And I got these for, I believe it's 148.
Okay.
So 148. And this is you guys seen the Rebel water I've had here. Well, actually, you've seen a couple different ones here. I get them, they go. I get another one, they go.
Right.
One of the guys wanted the spool gun, the aluminum spool gun. This is it for it. So
here's what the features are. All right.
So I got these for $480.
Does it show any specs on the back?
Yep. That's what we're talking about.
With the spool gun, it's got the conductor tube, 2 contact tips, and 0.6 millimeter, 3 and 0.9, 1 1/2-inch nozzle, and 1 gas diffuser. And that is the 160 amp gun. They also make a 200 amp version, looks like. So.
Yep.
So what was the price on that bad boy?
$480. $480. Now, there's a bunch more in there, but
yeah, this thing's filled all the way to the front.
all you gotta do is call, ask, and from what I understand is I'm supposed to be getting my truck back pretty soon. So I'm gonna see the guy and
tell everybody what happened when you come by here. You told me last week how close it was, and then it just like falls off the mountain again.
It was out of the body shop, at the lineman shop, and they had to order a part from her for the alignment. I forget what part it was. Simple part. You know, it's a 2017. You think you'd have a tie rod, or wasn't tie rod, but something. Week later, it's still sitting there waiting for the same part. So, still had to go back then to the body shop. They had 1 or 2 things to tie up, and I'm there going to go. I'll be there in 3 stops, and I'll be checking on that. And by the time you guys see this video, I'll know where I'm up on picking up my truck, and
hopefully
happy days
get it
again.
Back, 'cause,
Yeah.
man, how long has it been down?
It's been at the body shop November 17th. It was down the week before that. So yeah, it's like forever.
And all of it's parts, right? Waiting on parts.
Been parts, yeah.
Jeez, Joe, you need to find out the most common vehicle on the road and use that as the chassis from now on.
You know, you watch a Ford commercial, you would think it'd be Ford, but they are the most common, found on road dead. But you know, there's a whole lot of other sayings for the acronym. But
it's time to find something else, because that would put a normal guy out of business.
Yeah, who's normal in this world? I know I'm not.
Jeez, that
But
sucks.
you know, if it don't kill you, it makes you stronger. That'd be pretty
That's what I was
tough.
gonna say. You would be like damn Lou Ferrigno, Joe.
I'm not green yet, but
I bet if they tell you something else is out holding that truck
will be
out, that's
green.
when it'll turn green.
Joe
That's
right.
His
That's right
pants will
words.
rip off and be all ragged. Yeah, it'll be ugly.
That's right. I'll be green then. Guys, have a great week ahead. Anything you need, give me a call, give me a text. I appreciate everything you do for me, and hopefully I can do something for you.
There you go. All right, guys, like always, Joe's number is right down here at 731-412-7295. Shoot him a text, and he'll get back with you on any of the tools that you may need or want or see or could think of or dream up in your wildest dreams. He can probably figure out where to get them. Like always, guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. Check over here for merchandise, cool tools, and discount codes down here. If you're not subscribed, it's real easy. You take your finger and click that button. Just press it. Y'all have a great week. See ya.